Like, hey man, come record me for free. No, I can't, dog. Do you go to the grocery store and just go grab a gallon of milk and get the manager, hey, like, hook me up, man, give me this milk. What's going on, music family? This is one of the most biggest mistakes that I've ever made as a music producer. All right, so let me just take you back a little bit. I had a home recording studio, and I was just recording people out of the spare bedroom. All right, I only had a few people that were coming in here and there, a few regulars that would come in. But look, man, here's what I was doing, and you might not think it's a huge deal, but it really is. I was mixing everybody's song for free. You guys are probably like, so what? It's just mixing a song for free. Let me tell you something, man. There's no magic mixing button. I can't come to the computer and press mix and your song is mixed. All right? So I was doing this, and I got to admit, like, I was doing it for free for them, and I was also doing it for myself, right? Because I'm trying to sharpen my craft as much as I can. So just so you guys know, on average, a mix can take 2 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, even a couple of days, depending on the artist and the project size. And the thing is, what you guys got to realize is after you take all this time to do it, you're going to send it over to the people, right? They're going to check it out. And at least 30% of the time, they're going to send it back to you and be like, hey, man, can you fix one more thing? Can you just change this? And that's cool. That's the way the mixing game goes, right? You send a mix over, and half the time it just comes back, and you got to fix a little thing, and they're usually happy like that. But what you got to realize, man, this person came to your house. Think about it like this. This guy comes to your house, right? He pays $60 for 2 hours. After they leave, you work an additional 8 hours. That means you're averaging $6 per hour. So it's kind of, you got to understand where I'm coming from. So as I graduated from the home studio game to the professional studio, now I simply don't have the time to donate for mixing. And what I think happened is a lot of people kind of look at it as like a slap in the face when I've been working with them for such a long time, and all of a sudden I'm like, hey man, I need you to pay full price. I'm really busy. I don't know if it makes sense to you guys. It makes sense to me. But the thing is, these people you've been working with for a long time, it's not going to make any sense to them. They're going to be like, yo, man, you've been doing our mixes, for free for the last year. So why can't you do it now? Well, the thing is, I have clients coming through the door on a regular basis over and over and over again. I can't shut down shop to mix up your track for $6 an hour. I just can't. And I know it sucks. And why I say this is something you need to avoid is just because of that. Like, think about it. I work with these people for a year, and I mix their tracks for a year for free. Of course, I was teaching myself, and I was providing a lot of more. I was supplying a great service to these guys. But at the end of the day, once you tell them you can't do it anymore, ghost town, dog. They're gonna be gone, and they're gonna think that you're acting brand new. They're like, "Oh, Mr. Big Shot got a studio now. He can't do our mixes for free." That's how they're gonna look at it. Now, you might have, a couple guys that stick with you because they understand, but most people just don't. And just a slight side note, man, like, if you want to support somebody's business, man, just pay for the business and stop fucking asking for handouts, all right? Stop hitting me up and be like, hey, man, come record me for free. No, I can't, dog. Do you go to the grocery store and just go grab a gallon of milk and get the manager, hey, like, hook me up, man, give me this milk? You can't do that. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, man, here's my advice. Whatever service you're providing, whether it's studio or whatever the fuck you're doing, right? Dog, just charge for every service that you provide, and you won't run into this problem, all right? If you want something free, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I give out free advice every week. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope it helped a lot. Don't make this mistake. I'm telling you, it's going to suck. You're going to lose a lot of friends and stuff like that, so just fucking charge, man. If people can't afford it, they can't afford it. All right, y'all. That's our weekly advice. My name's Dr. Scoops. I'm with Operation Room Studios. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we're going to be kicking out advice every week, man. It's going to help out you guys a lot. So once again, we really appreciate it, and we'll catch y'all next time, man. Peace.